금방
무서워 엄마. 이게 떨어지는 줄 알았잖아.
자, 돌아가자. 이게 이쁘냐? 안녕하세요. We are here at Sejong University.
I know.
My eldest.
I know.
The mountain is very near here. Wow, really good. Yes, the air is so fresh, and we are here at the what do you call this? At the front yard of the school. So the view is really good and really nice. The air is so fresh and so good, refreshing. Yes, yeah, we are here to visit my eldest school, and yes, so eldest. So this is Unju. Hi Unju, how are you? There's Zay.
I'm fine.
You're very fine,
You?
Oh well, I'm really good and content. So how was your health?
How?
Did you drink your medicine or did you drink your vitamins?
I don't think so.
You never drink your vitamins?
Yes, I do.
Why?
I forgot.
You forget.
I'm always.
Don't forget your medicine, okay?
Okay, I will.
Because it is good for your health.
Okay.
And
I do.
Ah,
Ah,
so funny.
so funny. So fresh.
Yes, this is the white place where we can play soccer. You can play the soccer. As you can see the mountain. The school is up there, so you cannot see it.
Good weather today.
Yes, the weather is really hot today, but you feel very, very,
Where's my mask?
really,
Mommy.
yes, here's your mask. Here,
Thank you very much.
you are welcome. Yes. So, this is it. So we have to go on the stairs, going up, and then going up to the stairs. So my husband is waiting for us in the car. So that's it. Let's go up on the stairs. Here it is.
아빠 저기 있는데.
응? 아빠가 어디 가는 거야? 모르나? 불러봐. Where are you going? Hey!